Hello beautiful people, it's Robyn Thomas here with Resemble Me by Robyn. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, I am putting some Marley twist in my head. So I did have some of these last year. So it's been almost a year since I've had some Marley twists. I am actually about halfway done already. I didn't know if I was gonna record it or not. I really don't know if I'm gonna upload this or not. But I am about halfway done. So really more than halfway. I just have this little area right here to do. But I have been using Cuban twist double strand style 16 inch. And so 16 inches gets you pretty long, or long enough. Let's see. So it gets you in between waist and butt, I guess, and like tailbone, like what. So far I have used 3 packs, and I still have like 2 twists left in the 3rd pack. I bought 5 in all. And so this time I did put a little bit more hair in the twist. So normally I'll do like, around the perimeters, I'll do like half or 3/4 of the strand that it comes with. But I've been pretty much doing, or I would do half around the perimeter, but I've been doing 3/4 to a whole twist, a whole afro. I don't know how to explain it. Strand, a whole strand, a whole strand. So yeah, I got 5 packs instead. Normally I use 4 packs, but the hair is so light, I kind of wanted to try it because my hair is so thick from the root to the tip. So it's like all the same thickness. And so it goes from, whenever I use a little less hair, it's a little more blunt. It's a little more blunt. Like you can see that it goes from like little thick to thinner. So I needed to use a little more hair. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. It means hair is nice and full from root to tip, and it's not like tapering out or anything. So anyways, I'm going to continue with these twists. And I do have a video where I thoroughly explain how to install Marley twist. But I do want to do that for you all here today as well. So I'm just going to show you how I put in a few of them, and then I'll get to explaining the easiest way for me to put in Marley twist. So let's get to it. Okay, so like I said, I just take 1 strand of hair and I make sure that it is in half, like this. And I'm not doing this piece. So take my piece, so split that in half. I already have this hair that's half. Take it, and I like to hold it so that I know that I'm at my halfway mark, right? So I take one side, my less dominant hand. Okay, I hold that. Find a way, however it is comfortable for you to hold that in place. And then I take my dominant hand and I pinch it with my less dominant hand. I take my index finger and my thumb and I pinch it so that I can make sure that it's together. I'm holding this side very, very tight to make sure that the hair doesn't slip through as I'm trying to twist and secure the base. So this is my hair and this is the hair weave. What I'm doing is flipping it over. So I'm twisting, yes, but I'm making sure that it's going to be flipped over. And my hair is kind of like rolling around the hair weave. And I'm just gonna keep doing it until I feel like it's nice and secure. Okay, then I'm gonna take my twisted side. I'm gonna hold it with my less dominant hand, okay, so that I can move it over to the other side. Then I'm gonna take the side that's not twisted yet, make sure it's very separate, and I'm gonna gather all of that hair and the hair weave together, okay? very tight. See, it's not moving. I'm gonna take this, again, my hair and the hair weave, and I want it to basically flip over that. And I'm just finding ways to make sure that this base right here is secure so that the other side doesn't untwist. That's my hopes, right? As I'm twisting and twisting and twisting. Okay, so then I'm just gonna take this and go over. Whatever's in my dominant hand is gonna go over the other side. And then I'm just gonna come back, here. And I'm gonna continue repositioning myself, but continuing to twist and twist. And the thing about Marley twists and Senegalese twists, and it's very nice and secure, is you have to make sure that this is twisted while you're twisting it over at the same time. So it's a double twist. Anytime you feel like, we here, okay. Anytime you feel like you're not getting the twist or it's starting to like kind of clump up, then you want to stop what you're doing, pull this as if you're like you just got untied a knot or something. Pull that, take one of the sides and twist. Okay, once you go down a little bit in that, see how it's twisted down as opposed to this side, you flip it over and you do the other one. Okay, and what that does is it kind of just sets off let the rest of the hair know, okay, this is the direction that we're supposed to be going. And so you just twist and twist all the way down. I like Marley twist because it go real good with Afro hair. You see how it's like, it's not the sleekest. It's still neat, but it's not sleek. It has those little pieces coming out. And that's just naturally what our hair does, right? I really feel like more people should get Marley twist. Especially like with a kinkier hair texture. All my 4B, 4C girlies, this should definitely be in rotation for as a protective style. Super lightweight. And we're done. So this is the twist. And I keep forgetting to mention, I am not using any product as I am twisting my hair. I was supposed to mention it in the intro, and I was supposed to mention it when I was installing this twist. But I am not using any product as I am installing the actual twist, right? So when I started my twist, I used my cream. I'm gonna show a clip right here. cream. And I haven't been using anything else. So again, I'm gonna take this, split this in half, like that. Take my piece. This is the last one on here, I think. It's more so just about straightening this out. Make sure that it is in half. You just see me tucking in my hair, kind of folding over the afro hair on my hair. I do like to blow my hair out every time I do my hair. I feel it's easier. I feel I've been able to retain good length, you know, single strand knots. I've had single strand knots and I don't know how long. Easier to part. I tend to sweat in my head. Sometimes I don't always finish my hair. It's like the same day in one day, and then I'll get up and work out and I sweat in my head. So that just kind of helps me, help it not to revert back. That's the end. Twist all the way down, twist from the roots.